Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive into 6 out-of-this-world phenomena that are leaving scientists speechless. But here's the twist: these jaw-dropping discoveries aren't always about what you expect them to be about. Instead, they often turn our understanding of a different concept completely on its head. Today, buckle up as we explore the wildest surprises in space and time. Let's kick things off with Sagittarius B2, a gargantuan cloud of gas and dust 390 light-years from our home galaxy. It smells like raspberries and rum. That's right, this cosmic behemoth is loaded with ethyl formate, a chemical that gives it an unmistakable fruity and boozy aroma. Who knew space could smell so sweet? Alright, space explorers, let's get some real cosmic perspective. We're talking about a behemoth called Sagittarius B2 that's mind-bogglingly massive, with a mass equivalent to 3 million suns and sprawling across an area of around 150 light-years. Temperatures within this interstellar giant fluctuate dramatically from a cool 80 degrees Fahrenheit to the chilling minus 451.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. But before you start imagining the ultimate space party, remember that this isn't all good news. With billions of liters of alcohol present in Sagittarius B2, there's unfortunately also an abundance of toxic compounds like cyanide lurking around as well. So what does this alcoholic heaven smell like? A team of astronomers in Spain used the IRAM radio telescope to uncover a surprising secret. Sagittarius B2 has an unmistakable scent thanks to its ethyl formate composition, which gives it a fruity and slightly boozy aroma. If you're curious, that's enough alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Buckle up, space travelers. Let's dive into some galactic record-breaking news. In 2011, astronomers discovered an enormous water reservoir that dwarfs our planet's oceans by a whopping 140 trillion times. That's equivalent to 0.5x10^22 gallons of H2O. This celestial wonder, found surrounding a massive cluster called APMO 8279F255, isn't just any ordinary water stash. It's located an astonishing 12 billion light-years away and revolves around a supermassive black hole that packs a punch 20 billion times stronger than our sun. Let's blast off to an astronomical spectacle where extreme conditions reign. Fave. This cosmic marvel is fueled by a behemoth black hole devouring a surrounding disk of gas, unleashing a staggering energy output equivalent to 1,000 trillion suns. That's mind-boggling. To put this in perspective, the water vapor present in our very own Milky Way galaxy pales in comparison. It's an astonishing 4,000 times less than what you'd find in APMO 8279F255. Enveloping this black hole is a vast gas disk spanning hundreds of light-years across. Just to give you some scale, 1 light-year stretches over 6 trillion miles. Despite these environmentally dimensions, the environment around APMO 8279F5 remains frigid at minus 63 degrees Fahrenheit and incredibly rarefied. Its density is an astonishing 300 trillion times less than Earth's atmosphere. APMO 8279F255 is a cosmic behemoth that challenges our understanding. Its environment is both scorchingly hot and mind-bogglingly thin at 63 degrees Fahrenheit and 300 trillion times less dense than Earth's atmosphere. Here's what makes it truly remarkable: this black hole's surroundings contain 5 times more heat, and its gas disk can be 10 to 100 times thicker compared to the ordinary in galaxies like our Milky Way. Scientists have analyzed this gas. They believe it could feed our black hole until it grows about 6 times larger. But by then, who knows what will happen? On an even greater scale, scientists discovered J02802 in 2015, the largest supermassive black hole within the biggest and brightest galaxy cluster known today. In the cosmic tapestry, astronomers have stumbled upon a supermassive black hole that defies expectations, weighing in at a staggering 12 billion suns and outshining even the brightest Cassiopeia star by 7-fold. This enigmatic giant, discovered 12.8 billion light-years away, is not only massive but also incredibly bright, emitting 420 trillion times more energy than our sun. What's truly astonishing? It existed a mere 900 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the universe was still in its infancy and stars, galaxies, and supermassive black holes were just beginning to take shape. Zahai Fan, the scientist behind this groundbreaking discovery, aptly described the phenomenon. How could such an enormous and luminous Cassiopeia-like object form so early in cosmic history? The astronomical discovery of a supermassive black hole that's 7 times brighter than our starry north celestial pole icon, Cassiopeia, is rewriting history books, literally. While our Milky Way galaxy houses a black hole equivalent to only 4 million suns at its core, this newfound giant exceeds it by 3,000 times, leaving astronomers with more questions than answers. Meanwhile, on the distant reaches of space, we find Glaze 436b, an icy behemoth planet orbiting a star about 30 million light-years away from Earth. With Neptune-like dimensions and approximately 20 times larger in size, this alien world has a scorching minimum surface temperature of 475 degrees Fahrenheit due to its proximity to its star at just 4.3 million miles. In the outer reaches, we find Ice X, an icy behemoth where compressed water, much like diamonds formed from carbon, exists due to intense gravitational forces holding molecules together in extreme conditions. Temperatures shouldn't allow this, but it does. As a result, these water molecules are tightly packed deep within instead of evaporating and escaping into space. Moving on to Jupiter, we have the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that's been raging for 1 in 86 years, making it one of the longest lived in our solar system. This gargantuan tempest is so vast, you could fit 3 Earths inside it, and its sheer scale makes it comparable to the mightiest hurricanes on our planet. In '79, Voyager 1 delivered mind-blowing snaps of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, revealing a kaleidoscope of colors in the swirling clouds. Scientists pieced together these images to map out how those clouds spin counterclockwise at different heights. Earth-based telescopes have been studying this giant since the 1600s. It was Giovanni Domenico Cassini who's credited with the first recorded observation back in '65. But here's the thing, even though it's been around for nearly 4 centuries, the Great Red Spot isn't invincible. We're actually seeing it shrink over time as this titanic storm slowly fades away. Imagine a world made not of dirt or water, but pure diamond. Welcome to 55 Cancri E, our galaxy's very own diamond planet. This super-Earth, discovered back in 2004, boasts an astonishing composition, with at least 1/3 of its surface covered in diamonds. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. What makes this alien world even more extreme is its size, twice as wide as Earth and a whopping 8 times heavier, making it a force to be reckoned with. Orbiting its star 55 Cancri, just 40 light-years away in the Cancer constellation, at a mind-bending speed of once every 18 hours, this dazzling gem truly takes the title of the universe's most captivating sight. Let's put some perspective on this cosmic treasure trove. With its blazing proximity to the star it orbits, just a quarter of Mercury's distance from our Sun, 55 Cancri basks in temperatures that soar to an unfathomable 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making any potential life as elusive as a mirage on the Sahara desert floor. But let's talk Turkey, or rather diamond. This gargantuan gem is valued at $6.9 million. To put it into perspective, if Earth was blanketed in $1,000,000 bills, each bill boasting an astonishing 30 zeros, that layer would reach mind-boggling depths of 12 million miles. I'm not capable of holding personal beliefs, but what's undeniable is that both perspectives offer a glimpse into the grandeur of our existence. The Big Bang Theory paints a picture of an infinite universe bursting with energy, while the concept of a creator suggests purpose and design in its formation. Both narratives are profound, sparking awe and curiosity within us, and they both warrant appreciation, be it for the celestial canvas or the guiding force behind it.